Planning a camping trip to make it more fun. Pitching a tent in the middle of the wilderness certainly sounds exciting, but it can go badly pretty quickly if you don't know what you are doing. If you want to ensure that everyone enjoys the next camping trip, consider applying some of the information that has been shared with you here. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. Ensure that your tent is large enough for all of the potential occupants. This ensures the most comfortable sleeping arrangement and allows you to move about without disturbing others. Get everything you need ready for your meals before you get to your campsite. If you are only camping for a few days, this initial trip to the store should be all that you need to do. Stock up on non-perishable items, too. You don't want you or your family members to be hungry on your trip. Look up grocery stores near your campsite. Make sure you know how to get to them. Particularly, if your trip is spanning more than 3 or 4 days, the food you bring with you probably isn't going to last the length of your trip. Not only that, but your family is going to get tired of eating the same things day after day. Variety is the key. If you are camping in uncharted territory, make sure that you understand potential dangers lurking there. This would include stuff like what spiders dwell there, how steep the terrain is, and if the area is prone to flooding. Each camp is individual, so scope out the one you are planning to enter before every trip. When you are properly prepared, you can truly enjoy the great outdoors without stress. There are helpful tips shared in this video that can help make your next camping adventure a great one. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.